everyone, in today's video I will show you how can you capture your screen as GIF. Okay, so for this I will use this tool as ShareX. This tool has many more features, but today our focus is how to capture screen as GIF so that you can share. Okay, so let's get started. Here is the site URL getsharex.com. So what are the features? It can capture in many methods. You can capture full screen, monitor menu, active window, region, and many other things. You can see this, and our target is screen recording as GIF. Okay, so let's say sometimes you don't want to capture screen as video because of the size file size. You just want to make a quick tutorial and make it as a GIF. Okay, so let's see how can we do that. So this is my software. From here you can download it, and after installing you will get this interface. Okay, it will show you the previous captures here. Okay, so let's say I will capture by this screen. Okay, now if I go to capture, and here is the option screen recording as GIF. Okay, click here. Now it will tell you which screen you want to capture. You want to capture this screen, or you want to capture your full window, or you want to capture your browser or this menu. Everything is possible here. So for now I will capture this full screen. Okay, so I will minimize this. See, our capturing is started actually. Okay, so let's start again. Sorry, I unfortunately captured the screen. Okay, let's start again. First go to here, capture screen recording GIF. So it's taking our GIF is completed. Okay, let's see how can we do that again. Here go to capture screen recording, select this screen. Now it is showing you click to stop recording. That means when you see this red dot, it's recording your screen. Okay, so let's do something. Let's create a new text file here. So now I will modify this file, write something. Okay, now I will save my file, and let's say my work is done here. If I click here, so icon is changing, is showing now ShareX is encoding your file. After the encoding it will show you the end result. So we are waiting for the encoding here. So our GIF is now, go to here. See, this is our GIF. Okay, see, the GIF is showing. See what I did here, everything is showing. So I think you understood the thing now, where you can get your files. If you right click in your GIF, it will show you open file or folder. If you click on the folder, it will show you where the GIF has been. Okay, so let's open it in browser. You can preview GIF in your browser. See, this is a GIF which you can share with anyone. Okay, So I think this video will be very helpful to you. See you in next one. Bye.